Hello, and welcome to another update video about gold. Yeah, gold reacted, funny enough, exactly to the blue target area we discussed in the last video. So not really anything new there. We have a rally which clearly represents a three-wave move up so far, and zoomed out, this still looks like printing lower lows, lower highs, even though this now, obviously we are waiting for a signal that the price is starting wave 5, right? Wave 5 to the upside. Well, a clear signal would be a 5-wave move up. It's only a 3-wave move. But bear in mind that when we look at the bigger picture, we're dealing with corrective movements because we're dealing with a large diagonal pattern in a C wave which started in June. We have a 1-2 which bottomed in July, then an AB, best I can tell. So we had a C wave up in wave 3. That means the 5th wave also needs to be an ABC structure, which means best I can tell that 5th wave would unfold as an ABC structure. Okay. And if the A wave is a 3-wave move, then we're looking also for an A, B, C structure in wave A. And I have run out of wave degrees, so it's now, can't really label anymore. But the idea would be then also this A wave could be a 3-wave move, which tells you how difficult it is to track those microstructures. But an A wave can be 5 waves, and if that's the case, it would be more clearly bullish. As long as it's only a 3-wave move up that we can see, we have to really be careful. It could also be the yellow B wave, which is also an ABC structure. So the main takeaway is we have a rally that is larger than it really probably should be in this immediate downturn. We were expecting a bounce from this target area because the move down looks corrective. It's a 3-wave move down. And as per the last update, the wave count was very full. We've reacted to the standard support area and specific target area for this internal C wave to the downside, which is part of either wave 4 in white or wave A in yellow. But without an impulsive move up, it is kind of speculative if we've already bottomed. Now, what we now need to be watching for is if in the current pullback then, which might have started already, maybe we get 5 waves up. If we get 5 waves up, then we have 1, 2, 3, we need another 4, 5. So if I get 5 waves, it is more clearly bullish. 1 second, I just accidentally clicked the replay button here. It would be more clearly bullish, but we don't have to rely on, or we cannot actually rely on a 5-wave move because we might only get 3 waves, right? So that means in any pullback now, we need to hold a higher low. We just need to hold a higher low, whatever we're doing, whether this is already the B wave or we get one more high in wave A. Because if we can't hold a higher low, then it's going to be tricky because then it starts to look more like 5 waves down and is setting up for a much larger correction. It would be ideal, I think, in both scenarios that I'm tracking, bullish and bearish, to see this A, B, C. And this will be the decision point because this will be for the larger A wave in white and the yellow B wave. We won't know until that pullback afterwards if we're bullish, and that would be another support area. Here I can give you a support area. These are the two that need to hold to move to new highs. So I can give you a micro support area now. Just note that it's on the micro level. It's not. We might even see one more extension higher in the B in the A wave there in white. But if we now get a pullback, these are the standard Fibonacci levels that need to hold between 2,560 and 2,600. Any break below it would indicate that something more bearish is going on. But bear in mind that B waves have only weak support levels. Sometimes a B wave even forms a double bottom structure. So this is just standard support for a B wave, but these are chameleon-like structures. That's the update about gold. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.